Hey YouTubers, hope you've enjoyed our videos as much as we've enjoyed making them. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button
down below.
Joseph, let's show them how it's done. Oh, I got the big hammer for it. Smash it. Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
It's time. Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Tool Time, and today we're building Stanley Jr.
Stanley Jr. Say Stanley Jr.
Stanley Jr.
Stanley, it's a Stanley Jr. kit, and today is a candy maze kit. So the idea behind this, it's actually pretty cool. We build basically a candy machine. When you turn a knob, it's going to drop one piece of candy all the way through the maze, and then we're going to eat it. And Joseph and I went today.
We got M&Ms.
Oh, we got M&Ms, we got jelly beans, and we went to Five and Below, and we asked for the finest gumballs in all the land. So we'll see what fits. These are pretty cool. They're like little baseballs.
Gumball and baseball. Gumball, baseball, gumball, baseball.
Baseball gumballs. And they are sugar-free.
Sugar-free.
So I don't know if we're going to take a nap today. All right, let's get her open. Ready? 1. You want to rip it?
2. 3.
That was a clean rip. Take care of. wait. Take the paintbrush out first. Okay, so we got the little arm here. Let's get all of our pieces out. We got paints. Cool. 1, 2, 3. That looks like the base.
Tape on here.
Tape.
Watch my head.
She flies. Ooh. We got. All right. We're laying all of our pieces. Just don't throw the instructions. Oh, Joseph's favorite. Sandpaper. We're gonna sandpaper everything. No, don't throw the sand. I need the instructions. Oh, look at stickers. Thank you. Fun stickers. Stanley Jr.
Wait, what's
stickers.
the other thing?
Thank you. Okay, and then we have our bag of nails, and there's not a lot of nails. It looks like it's going to be a quick, fun build. So let's get started. Sanding the old hammer. See, just some kids love sandpaper. Yep, that's Daddy right there. All right. Let's. The old knuckle sander. Yeah. Okay. All right. Grab your hammer, sir. Grab your hammer. Let's grab our first step 1. Our step 1 says this piece and this piece, and it looks like the middle section's on this side and this side. Ooh. So we're gonna connect it just like so, just like this. Okay. So let's get our nails and punch them through.
Like punch, like
boom! We're gonna give it a little firepower.
boom, bang, firepower.
Got a little firepower in this show.
Here, I'll do it.
Just push it through a little.
I'll bang it through.
You're gonna bang it through. Ooh, smart. Good, that's enough. Just to line it up.
Okay. There we go.
We got it.
They're both
We got it.
almost over.
That's fine. All right, so let's line it up. Perfecto. Thanks for wiping that nose on me. And center. Go ahead. Knock it down. Watch my fingers. Watch my fingers.
Done.
And the candy maze kit begins. Step 2. Do we need glue? Nah. We should probably use glue one of these builds. So it says here, and then we're gonna take the piece here, and we're gonna go boom, boom, boom.
Bang, bang. Firepower, firepower. Boom, boom, bang, bang, firepower, firepower.
You want to
boom,
do?
Boom, bang, bang, firepower, firepower.
We're coming out with an album called Boom Boom. Is it Boom Bang or Boom Boom?
Boom, boom, bang, bang, firepower, firepower.
That's the single. We're releasing it.
Boom, boom,
Around
bang,
Easter.
bang, firepower, firepower.
I love it.
And when you say firepower, you do this. Firepower.
We're cutting a deal with T-Pain.
Firepower, firepower.
Oh. Okay, let's get a little boom boom on these 2 nails.
Boom, boom, bang, bang, firepower, firepower. Boom, boom, bang, bang, firepower, firepower.
Nice job, so safe. All right, so take a look. Show the camera. That's the back. That's the front. That's the side. That's the other side. All angles are accounted for.
And that's the middle.
That's the middle. All right, now we gotta go 4 nails up the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4. Like
Yeah.
this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, we're gonna go up the bottom with it.
Like this?
What do you mean?
Dad, like
What?
this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's exactly what the direction said.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I just want to get to the point of candy. Who doesn't want to just get to the point of candy? Are we gonna paint it? So we have red, yellow, blue, and white paints. What are you thinking? What's your candy maze color?
EVER thing.
You want to go every color?
Everything.
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 Everything. All right, here we go. Let's get her. Get her done. Right. So take your hammer. Let's line this up. The top is this way, so that makes the bottom
Firepower. Firepower.
this way. That is very cool. You would think there was some pre-drilled hole down here, but there's not. Is that it? Well, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, that's not it. No. Hold on. Oh, gosh. Okay. Slow and steady. A little bit more. Give it a little oomph. Alright, let me flip it.
Okay.
That's
okay.
firepower. You got in the middle so everyone can see. Where do you put it all? Where do you put it all?
What?
Where do you put it all?
What?
You know it. Where do you put all that power? Alright, so now we've got to put this peg into here. But it looks like the instructions are saying that this little peg goes into this wheel and that's what turns the big base. But it's flying through pretty easy here. I don't know. We'll figure something out here. We'll figure it out. We're gonna hold off on that piece because we might have to get a little whimsical. All right, let's do this piece.
A little whimsical.
The word of the day on Tool Time is
the little whimsical. Okay, the little whimsical. Look at how whimsical.
We're gonna do a word a day from now on. Okay, here we go.
Like the little whimsical.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the little whimsical.
How about a little hammer time? Let's go.
Don't.
Okay.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
You sure you got it? Are you sure? Oh. Blows my mind that even went in straight. I have no idea how you did that. Say, Dad, I got it.
Dad, I'm a little whimsical.
Okay, alright. Here we go. Now this slides in
through the little whimsical.
Alright. Wait. And as we turn, see all the candies up here? And then it's one at a time. Do a little
Whimsical.
No. Can you do that? No. Can you snap? Ooh. Ooh. We got snappers in Tool Time. We got snappers. We got snappers. Alright, let's do this.
Whimsical,
Right,
whimsical, go, little whimsical.
We're not going to let this go. It's going to be a week, and we're still saying
Yes.
it. Okay, here we go.
It's going to be a week, and I'm going to still say little whimsical.
Yeah, I know. Other side, mister.
No, not touch.
Okay, you got it? You're turning it. You're turning it. Show everyone. Go ahead.
Hold on.
No.
I'm gonna test it. Okay. Come on in. Okay. M&M, get in.
You gotta show everyone. So we did a little pilot, a little test.
Okay.
Joseph will show you.
This goes like this, and then when you do this, and then you eat it.
Did you just cheat?
No.
Did you just have one?
No.
Okay. All right. Now see all these cutouts, Joseph. These pieces of wood need to go, but I think one's a little shorter. Yeah. So which one's the shorter piece? No, I think that's the. Okay. Well, one of us didn't read the directions, so we'll figure it out. Figure it out.
Done.
You are done, ironically. Now we got to slide this in, the top. Show everyone. Show everyone. Show everyone.
I half ate that M&M. Half.
How do you half eat an M&M?
I put a half.
You half ate the M&M.
No.
I see it. All right, that's your M&M then.
No. I did this. First I put half of it in my mouth and then put it back.
So they can't see what you're doing, so let's turn it around. So once we had the little pieces of wood installed, a little plexiglass plane comes that holds all the candy together. Here, let's lift it up over it. Ready? Wait. Yeah, this isn't in all the way. There we go. There we go.
Ow!
Oh, move your face. Don't tell Mom. Don't tell Mom. Move your finger. Move your finger. Okay, push it. And
Daddy, help me, Mommy.
no. Wait. We gotta put the. You keep on doing. Show everybody. Show everybody. Turn it around. Okay. So as he turns it, so the little M&M is in it, and it goes. Did it slide down?
And then you eat it.
And then you eat it. All right. And then we have the topper. That's it. And then the topper goes right in here. All right. So we have our. Basically the entire build done. We've got some candy with us. We still haven't done the paints, but before we get to the paints, we're going to try out our candy maze right now. So Joseph, please fill in the top with some jelly beans. We're going to keep this down. Go ahead. Are they all in? All right, Don't turn it yet. Let's put the top on. Nice and tight. Now as Joseph spins it nice and slowly, you see him coming down? Is it working? I can't see. Somebody tell me what's going on. What's going on? Are they working? Okay. Normally it's one at a time. Are we going to do rapid fire again? All right, show everybody. They're coming down. Look at them. Jelly bean for me. Are they good? Are they from last year? All right, we'll take one together. Ready?
Wait, I'm going to pick.
Are these the ones where you don't know what flavor it is and Daddy's going to put it in his mouth? It's going to taste like a diaper? That's what they are?
I don't
Why are you
eat
shaking your head? Don't eat them. Justin, you want to do it? All right, cheers. Cheers. Say tool time. It's already in your mouth. Okay?
Good.
Mine wasn't good. So we're gonna paint. We're gonna paint now. Thank you guys for stopping by to Tool Time with J4
And J4.